y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be cutting my bangs. I just dyed my hair, so yeah, and now I'm going to be cutting, trimming, and shaping my natural hair. I don't really know what I'm doing. So on the videos I saw that they pop their hair in a triangle, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So this is what we got going on here. So if I cut it like this, it's just gonna look like this. So I saw on people things where they had it like it was long in the middle and short in the beginning. In the middle. Long on the sides and short in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to part it like this. And I'm gonna just leave the middle out. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to just start cutting because we're going to be here all day. I'm going to cut just a little bit more. And now I'm going to make sure my ends on the side is longer, so you can cut these probably like right here. And this is all so it can frame my face. So let's wet it. And let's see. The middle too short for real. Y'all, my hair is so freaking dry. But I'm about to go blow dry this and see how it looks. Okay, so like to be honest, I don't know what's going on, but we already tried to shape my hair. So like I see people just like cut little pieces off. My hair is not even like, it's not even in the state that it could be in because it's just so dry right now. And honestly, y'all, it being dry don't have nothing to do with the color. I just don't have the right type of products for my hair. So we're going to take this pick and we're just going to try to pick it up. And like I'm doing all this, y'all, but I already know this going to go in a slick back ponytail to Baba. Hopefully I didn't cut the pieces too short. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm getting out of it. So yeah, tomorrow I'll just probably do something like this or just put it in a slick back ponytail. But yeah, thanks for watching me fail. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.